Dear learners, hello. Myself, Dr. Kirti Agashe, Head of Industrial Electronics Department, BPM's Polytechnic Thane, welcome you to this module on Introduction to Memristor. For last decade, Memristor has become a promising research topic. However, we will discuss the very basic fundamentals in this video. Let us list the learning outcomes. After watching this video, the learners will be able to understand fundamental concept of memristor, memristor pipe analogy, memristor features, and applications of memristor. Fundamental concept. Till 1971, circuit theory was ruled by three fundamental circuit elements, which are resistor that relates voltage and current by equation dV equal to R into di, capacitor that relates voltage and charge by equation dq equal to C into dV, and inductor that relates current and magnetic field by equation d phi equal to L into di. In the quadrant diagram, these three circuit elements are linked with four circuit variables such as charge, voltage, current, and flux. Capacitor links the charge and voltage. Resistor links the voltage and current. Inductor links the current and flux. But the link is missing between the flux and charge. In 1971, Professor Leon Chua postulated the missing link on the basis of logical symmetry reasons. He named this hypothetical concept as memristor, that is, resistor with memory. Professor Chua mathematically proved that memristor is fundamental circuit element and it relates charge and magnetic flux with equation d phi equal to m into dq. Let us understand how memristor never forgets with simple pipe analogy. Consider a normal resistor device as a pipe through which water flows. Consider water as electric charge. In normal case, pipe has fixed diameter. So when the pipe is narrow, resistance to water flow is high, and when pipe is wider, the resistance to flow is low. To understand memristor, imagine it as a pipe that has a flexible or elastic diameter. The diameter changes with amount and direction of water that flows through it. As shown here, when water flows in one direction, the pipe expands as per the inlet flow. But if we try to send water in opposite direction, then the pipe shrinks. That means it offers resistance. Now imagine that we have stopped water supply, then memristor remembers the dimension of diameter when water last flown through it. That is, it remembers or memorizes. In other words, the pipe freezes until the water flow is allowed next time, which may be a day or a fortnight or even more than that. This freezing property resembles the non-volatile memory property, which was the real technology breakthrough. From this slide, as stated here, we understand a memristor never forgets. The resistor with memory that Leon Chua described behaves like a pipe whose diameter varies according to the amount and direction of the current passing through it. Now let us understand the features of memristor. The symbol of memristor is as shown here. Features are: it is a two-terminal non-linear resistor, it is a passive element and it does not store energy, it remembers the last amount of current passed through it or the last value of voltage applied to it. It is a resistor with memory. Memristor characteristics. As shown in the diagram, it shows non-linear relationship between voltage and current. No phase shift introduced between current and voltage at zero crossing. Pinch hysteresis loop, which is function of applied voltage. Hysteresis reveals the non-volatile memory effect. In this hysteresis loop, as frequency increases, the loop area shrinks or the lobe shrinks. Now, we must be curious how this memristor looks like and how was the first device developed. The hypothetical concept of memristor postulated by Professor Chua was brought into existence after 37 years in the form of first physical device. In 2008, R. Stanley William and his team at HP Lab developed a nanoscale device comprising of thin layers of oxygen, poor TiO2x, and insulating TiO2, that is titanium dioxide, sandwiched between two platinum metal electrodes. HP team successfully correlated the memristor characteristics of Professor Chua as shown in figure. This nanoscale device was showing a bipolar resistive switching characteristics depending on the applied voltage with the hysteresis. It was termed as ReRAM, that is resistive switching random access memory, and was called as subset of memristor. Reflection spot. The learners can write down the answer for the question as a non-volatile memory, which can be the probable applications of memristor or ReRAM. After writing down, you can click on the next slide. The application of memristor in crossbar array, ReRAM was used as a nano switches. Memristor has tremendous application variety and novelty. Let us list few application areas. It can be used as next generation non-volatile memory in crossbar array network as a fundamental circuit element in analog circuit. Memristor has exceptional ability of logical computing and memory on the same platform. It is applicable in almost all engineering fields, including computational and logic circuits, boot-free computers, artificial intelligence, and prominently in neuromorphic applications as the dynamics of memristor closely resemble those of synapse in brain tissues. Thank you for watching the video. Dear learners, for memristor simulation, you can visit nanohub.org site where you will be getting the memristor simulator. For any further questions, you can communicate on email ID ksagache@vpmthane.org. Thank you for the listening. Thank you.